Hey guys, Rhett Weaver here from Lifeline Home Loans. Want to talk about what's happening Wednesday, which is the Fed is going to cut rates by 25 basis points. It's guaranteed. We just had the inflation report come out on Friday, which came in a little bit less than expected or anticipated, which is really good news. And so what we're going to be seeing this week is a lot of news in the market that the Fed is going to cut rates. Every time this happens, I get a bunch of questions on what happened to rates and how much lower did they go. One thing that we just need to be aware of when this happens on Wednesday is Jerome Powell's going to go into a Q&A session. Obviously, with the government shut down over these last 30 days, there hasn't been a whole lot of data that's come out. And so odds are he's going to speak to that and blame everything on the lack of information, which usually means that the bond market probably isn't going to react in a very positive way. So are rates going to go lower? Maybe, maybe not. They might just sit still. But the big news here is the propaganda or the news that is going to come out is that the Feds are going to cut rates. They're going to cut it by 25 basis points. And for those of you that don't necessarily understand that, is the 25 cut in basis point structure is a little bit more directed to like home equity lines, credit cards, car loans, other loans that are out there. How does it affect mortgage rates? It doesn't directly impact what's going on with mortgage rates. We are a little bit more around the news of what's happening on the 10-year Treasury and what's happening with inflation reports and jobs reports. And as that information gets rolled out, mortgage rates really start to get impacted as soon as that happens. So we're going to get a lot of questions. This is great for you real estate agents as well. Just understand, let's use it to our advantage. People have been waiting for this for over 2 years for rates to start to come down. This is the first one of the year. There's supposed to be another one early December. Let's take this as great positive news moving forward. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.